This is a hunting video. If you don't like hunting, please do not watch. Thank you very much.
Good morning all. At the moment it is 6:30 in the morning. I'm just heading out. It looks a nice day. It's a bit of sunshine around, but they have promised us a lot of rain. Let's see how we get on. Thanks very much for watching. Just seeing the pigeon up the top of the trees. See if I can get over there for a shot.
Again, using the trees as cover. He does leave a few flutters, but he does pass rather quickly after.
Well, I want a bad one. He's only out there.
I have to leave the hide for this one. It's been sat there for about 40 minutes. And I just thought, well, there's no way to find the path. The shot was actually passing over those near horizontal lines you could see, about 3/4 of the way upstream. When it's done correctly, it's a really satisfying shot. Here I've spotted a rabbit. Over on the far edge of the field, just on the edge of the brambles, there's 2 rabbits. It looks like a buck chasing a doe. Even I'm going to use the bipod off this one. You can actually spot the doe just disappear her white tail going into the bush, leaving him sat in a nice profile shot. Not even a twitch.
Sorted.
Very, very nice pot rabbit.
Right, thanks very much for watching. As you can see, the rain has changed. It's a fine misty rain. As this morning, it was beautiful sunshine. Just like anything in this world, you never know. Well, that'll be it for today. I'm going to save any left for another day. As you can see behind me, I've got the pigeons hanging and the rabbit hanging. Guess what I've got for supper? Please be careful, enjoy your shooting, and I'll catch you again. Bye for now.